Leatherface Tree Service. We got this Austrian Pine. It's one of the bigger ones. It's the biggest one I've seen in Dallas. I've actually worked in this tree before. It had some damage from the straight line wind. We're just pruning it. We just got this one finished. Massive live oak, and then that little magnolia. I'm gonna get it to about 120 here. I did in fact get something usable. I think I'll have enough. Which people don't really understand exactly how important a high tie-in is until you get to climb SRT and you're on a high tie-in. See, single rope so easy. You just walk up, and it's nice because you get up to the top of the tree and you're not tired. Check this out. It's like grown into the crotch. So essentially that branch is supporting it. A little out of breath, but we are That's textbook saw work there. See this one causing all the crazy growth on that one. See, this angle allows me to just get further out on limbs. And I've been in this tree. This here was the tear out, and it covered this whole area. And I took it out the straight line winds last year. So anyways, it's still got some kind of spider webbing up there, like especially right here, but there's nothing I can do about that. That's at this point supporting the tree. So that's about a wrap for this one.